Solve problem number 3. We have to get the derivative with respect to x of y is equal to 5x squared minus 3x minus 7 all over x cubed minus 1. Quotient rule of differentiation, we have to let u be our numerator and we let v be our denominator. And then, applying quotient rule of differentiation, ang gagawin natin is our denominator, kopyahin, times the derivative of our numerator. And then, minus, kopyahin naman, una si numerator, multiplied to the derivative of our denominator. And then, this is all over the square of our denominator. Now, we have to get the derivative of this part, tsaka ito. Applying the basic rules of differentiation, this is just equal to, ibababa natin yung exponent na 2, 5 times 2, this is equal to 10. Tapos yung exponent, babawasan ng isa, 2 minus 1, kaya siya naging x. So this is equal to 10x, and then, minus 3x, derivative of x is just equal to 1. And then derivative of a constant is equal to 0. We are good here. Now, on our second part dito, applying power rule of differentiation ulit, ang gagawin natin is ibababa natin si exponent na 3 and then babawasan natin ng isa si exponent. 3 minus 1 kaya siya naging 2. And then here, derivative of a constant is just equal to 0. Yun lang yung part na ginawa natin as of now. So, we have to simplify. Kasi kung mapapansin natin, wala na tayong kukuhanan ng derivative. So, we only need to simplify this part. Now, as we go on, ano ang kaya nating isimplify? Ito, si negative 3 times 1, that is equal to negative 3. And then, minus 0, kaya wala na siya. And then, for this part, 3x squared minus 0, that is still 3x squared. So now, ano pang kailangan nating i-simplify? We have to multiply. I-multiply natin si x cubed minus 1 kay 10x minus 3, and then we have to multiply eto kay 3x squared. Let's start here. We have x cubed times 10x. This is equal to 10x raised to the 4th. And then, x cubed times negative 3. This is negative 3x cubed. And then, negative 1 times 10x, that is equal to negative 10x. And then, negative 1 times negative 3, that is positive 3. For this part, we have 5x squared times 3x squared. 5 times 3 is 15. X squared times x squared, that is equal to x to the 4th. And then, negative 3x times 3x squared, this is equal to negative 9x cubed. And then, negative 7 times 3, this is negative 21x squared. So ngayon, para masimplify natin siya, since ang nakasubtract ay itong tatlong terms na to, we have to change their signs. So this will become negative 15x to the 4th, this will become positive 9x cubed, this will become positive 21x squared. Doing that, ngayon, we will be performing our addition. Ano ba yung magkakapareho ang variables? We have x to the 4th, 10x to the 4th, and 15x to the 4th. So, this is equal to negative 5x to the 4th, x cubed. Anong meron tayong x cubed? We have negative 3x cubed and 9x cubed. Negative 3x cubed plus 9x cubed, that is equal to 6x cubed. And then, for our x squared, isa lang, si 21x squared. For our x, isa lang din, negative 10x, and we have our 3. So, this is our final answer.